Chapel Hill Country Club members. Today we're going to give you an instruction on proper ball mark repair. As you can see, we have a typical ball mark and we're going to properly repair it. When we do that, the ball mark should repair itself in about 48 hours. If we do not do that, it will take about 2 weeks. We really appreciate your help in fixing as many ball marks on your round as you can, and the whole golf course will be better for it. When you fix a ball mark, do not twist, pull, or turn. You want to insert at a 45-degree angle and roll towards the center of the ball mark. Go all the way around the ball mark. And you'll have it properly fixed. And step on it or tap it with your putter, and that ball mark will repair itself very rapidly. Thank you with your help for this. Have a good day.